gi mar chwalo dongruok pachoka. Josiasa mawuok e piny owacho mar Kenya Kwanza kod mar Azimio owacho ni ikore mar bedo kod twak mayom machakore tich ariyo juma manyien ka giloso alam ma bende ne yuore e kanisa mar Homa Bay Central SDA. Jatend kweth mathoth e Senate Aaron Cheruyot osiro paro mar timo twak makamano e od bura, kwacho ni jod bura nigi lony mopogore mabiro konyo e twagno. Cheruyot omedo kwayo jo Azimio omi twak thuolo kendo kik giring dok e ng'anyo. Parorino sir kod jotelo mamoko mano yuoro e alamno ka gisiro ni twak mahuyanga ema dhi konyo piny Kenya.
Si mnaona wanasiasa wanajuana kwa vilemba. So nikiwaambia muachane na hii kitu ikae kwa wanasiasa, tuambiane ukweli, tusikumane. Some things will be easy, we will agree. Some things will be difficult, we will disagree. But at the end of the day, the most important thing is how we move our country forward for the benefit of all the people of Kenya, which includes nyinyi watu wa Homa Bay. So I give you my assurance that as leaders, nobody will be left behind so long as you are a citizen of this country of Kenya.
I want to urge my colleagues from either side that let's go into these discussions with an open mind. Let us discuss so that we have a peaceful nation, so that we can rebuild our economy, so that everyone can belong in this great nation.
When you see such faces, then you can see in what direction we are heading. And that direction is a direction that brings unity to this country. No single community in this country can claim monopoly of knowledge or monopoly of leadership.
Mimi nilichaguliwa Manyata kama kijana wa miaka 35. Na vijana ndo wamekuwa target kubwa sana ya political conmanship ambayo inataka kutumia vijana ku divide and rule. Tafadhali naomba vijana wetu tuangalie future, na tutaongoza tukiwa na akina Jalango, Kiborek na wengine, tuhakikishe ya kwamba tumeonyesha vijana yes it can be done.